Hello all, welcome back to my channel Tips, Fitness and Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing great. In this video of mine, I am going to show you how to perform warrior pose, which is one fantastic pose in yoga which comes with tons of benefits. So let's get started.
Warrior pose. Stand straight, calm and center yourself. Now step your right foot forward about 3 to 4 feet and bend the leg so that the shin and thigh make a 90-degree angle without taking your knee past the ankle. Now turn your left foot out 90 degree. Reach up high with your arms, either keeping your palms parallel or touching them together, whatever is comfortable for you. You can look upward or stay looking forward. Let us all hold this pose for 5 comfortable breaths. Warrior pose is fantastic to strengthen the shoulders, arms and back. It stretches and strengthens the thighs, calves and ankles, opens the chest and hips, and gently stretches the shoulders, navel and neck. To come back, release and take your right foot back, and let's repeat the same on opposite side.
Let us do this and switch sides. To come back, release and come back to the standing position. So my friends, thanks for joining me for this video today, and I hope you have liked watching my channel. If you have liked my video, kindly hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Stay fit, stay blessed friends, till we meet again. Bye bye.